This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, let's go to the Damiette Street, commonly nicknamed the Antique Dealer's Shop Street because there are antique dealers' shops. Obviously. But what is the origin of the name of this street? First of all, it is necessary to underline the picturesque character of this street as well as its pretty perspective on the Abbey of Saint-Ouen, which have made it a favorite subject for painters and engravers. She was represented in particular by Camille Pissarro in 1884. Then there are several possible explanations. Some propose the hypothesis that Damiette is a deformation of Lady Crumb. This name would then have been given to the street in reference to a person living there. A baker's widow, perhaps? Other people suggest that this name evokes the capture of the Egyptian city of Damiette in 1249 by the army of King Louis IX known as St. Louis during the Seventh Crusade. Finally, it could perhaps be the Crumb Street, from the Latin meta, which designates the terminal, the limit. Indeed, until the 11th century, Damiette Street was located at the eastern end of the city. Whatever the origin of the name, I invite you to stroll down this street to discover the magnificent antique shops,